All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy, it crashed 16.22% recently. Will the buyer step in to try to hold the price? We're going to talk about that today because from the price chart, it looks like the high may be in for this stock, at least momentarily. I'm not saying forever, but it definitely looks as if the high in the market in MicroStrategy has occurred. Let's break it down. So we haven't done a price prediction in the market for MicroStrategy in a while, and I think we could actually drop one now. And it may not be one that you like. I get it. Everyone wants price to go higher, but that's not always the case. We're a realist channel here. If the market looks weak, then that's the prediction that we're going to drop on the chart. And if it looks bullish, then we'll drop a prediction looking for price to go up. It's just that simple. I think today we're going to drop a prediction looking for MicroStrategy to go down. Let's talk about it. Check this out. This is the only reason, pretty much, that I'm telling you that I'm looking for the price in MicroStrategy to go lower. What happened right here? That one price bar is so massively glaring, staring at you in the face that you got to say something happened. Something happened. And there's only two things that occurs in the market that can create that much spread. Selling. That was it. Someone came into the market in MicroStrategy on this day, November 21st, 2024, and sold. So much so that the market dropped all the way down 16.16% on the day. Crazy, isn't it? Now, the crazy part is that there's people, whether they're trying to cover positions, whether it's also trying to look long-term in MicroStrategy. So they're saying, man, the price dropped 16%. Let me go ahead and buy some. So then the next day, you guys can see that the market held right in this area. So this here is where buyers are. This is a pocket. It's a pocket of buying. You know, people are telling us the last 3 days, hey, this may be a good price to come in and buy the stock. Okay, cool. But what if the market is still selling? Like this selling that occurred on the 21st of November, it didn't go away. Look at all that volume that happened on the 21st of November. Look at it. Let me zoom out. This volume is massively high. We haven't seen this much volume in MicroStrategy since when? I'm zooming out and I don't see it at all. This may be the highest day to where we've seen volume in MicroStrategy. That there tells you somebody knows something, because you will not create this much high volume and nobody know nothing. Somebody knows something. They're like, look, I'm here, I'm off. I'm getting off the boat. I'm getting off the ride because I don't see any more track coming ahead for us to ride. There's nowhere else for us to go. So they're like, all right, cool. I'm about to go ahead and get up off this train. Great ride. Now it's time for us to move on to another opportunity. MicroStrategy on 330-minute chart. So I am going to put this here because that's a pocket of selling. And now you can also see like maybe around here, it's a pocket of selling too. MicroStrategy on the 2. Again, look, these two-day price bars is telling you somebody is still selling. And the moment that the buyers run out of money in this pocket, price is going to continue to dip and go lower and go lower. MicroStrategy on the 3. First 3-day price bar ran up. Next one came back down. Here it is on the 4. Again, all looks weak. Here it is on the 5. Again, up, right back down. So I think we're going to go lower in the market in MicroStrategy. We need to determine though how low. Okay, so we're going to create another pocket, which is right here of buying. Okay, so we're going to try to see if the market in MicroStrategy is going to fill this gap right here. Okay, so it's right there. And then we're going to get rid of these other pockets at the bottom because price is nowhere in the vicinity. So there's no need for us to keep it there. Let's go ahead and extend the trend line because the stock is still bullish overall, but it just looks like we may be overextended. Look at that. We're definitely breaking away from this other trend that started September of this year. Okay, so let's go ahead and drop this prediction. Here's our first target right here. Our first target would be, I would say, on the low of this first buyer's pocket. That would be our first target. 8.25% right there, like at 369, 370. Next target would be around 320. 327 to 320. 21.11% there. Third target will be at this last buyer's pocket. Alright, so that's it right there. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.